Good afternoon and welcome to the Weather Centre this Sunday. The morning started off cloudy in the southwestern Cape following the passage of a cold front last night that brought between 2 and 4 millimetres of rain. But now we're focusing our attention on the central interior where strong thunderstorms are expected during the course of the afternoon. Thunderstorms have already developed to the west of Bloemfontein and over the eastern parts of the eastern Cape. And in this area we're expecting high instability values and that could result in scattered thunder showers. There's a 60% chance of storms later on in KwaZulu-Natal as well. Isolated storms for the Limpopo province today, and there's also a promise of light rain for the Cape Peninsula this evening. That's as a weak front brushes past through very low rainfall amounts in the forecast, and the thunderstorms over the central parts will start to clear from the west, spreading towards the Lowveld and KwaZulu-Natal in the evening hours. Tomorrow morning starts off cloudy over the eastern parts of South Africa, drizzly in KwaZulu-Natal, but over the western parts it will be mostly clear but cold initially. Tomorrow afternoon, sunny conditions over much of South Africa, dry forecast for Gauteng with thunderstorms mainly in the far northeastern parts. The South African Weather Service has a watch for severe thunderstorms today. That's over the eastern interior of the Eastern Cape with a possibility of large hail and damaging winds. The wind forecast for the rest of South Africa, west to northwesterlies across the Karoo, speeds up to 20 kilometers per hour, fresh southwesterly winds along the Eastern Cape coastline and Johannesburg and Cape Town with a light northwesterly breeze. In the southwest, we're expecting a cool to mild afternoon, 21 degrees in Sutherland and Cape Town, 28 for Kimberley, 27 in Bloemfontein and Pretoria warming up to a high of 29 while it's still hot in the Lowveld today. Overnight we're expecting lower temperatures over the central and western parts, single-digit minimums for Bloemfontein and Kimberley, down to 2 degrees in Sutherland overnight, Cape Town dropping to 12, but it stays fairly warm along the east coast with a low of 22 in Richards Bay and 19 in Mbombela. On Monday, we're expecting dry weather over the western half of the country, thunderstorms confined to the far eastern parts. In KZN, a high of 26 degrees in Durban, and by Tuesday it becomes very hot over the western parts of the country with isolated storms on the Highveld. That's all from the Weather Centre. Enjoy the rest of your day.